Here I have Samsung Galaxy Alpha, and let me show you how to enable and how to turn on emergency mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let me unlock the device. Let's press power key for a long time, and here let's choose emergency mode. Here you have some specification and important information. Let me just tap I have read and agree to all of the terms, and let's tap agree. Here you've got the important information about emergency mode. Emergency mode saves battery power by changing the color of the screen, restricting application usage, turning off mobile data, and some other stuff. So let me just tap turn on emergency mode. The device is switching on, and as you can see, this is the emergency mode of the Samsung Galaxy Alpha. Now your battery will live a little bit longer, so that's a good feature, but as you can see, the colors and the restriction are huge. If you would like to quit this mode, let's just use more key right here and choose turn off emergency mode. The device is switching into normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now you may use your device. Excellent, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.